So even if natapos na po ang power crisis,
Tama.
hindi na naibalik.
Hindi na naibalik, parang naging regular practice na siya ng PAGCOR at ng PCSO for the shares of PSC or that portion always went to the office of the president. No? And all throughout, since presidency of FVR to now, present, kasi hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin nangyayari, kung hindi tayo nagtagumpay dun sa ating Supreme Court case, eh baka wala nang wala nang katapusan yon, no? So right now, because the Supreme Court decided that case with finality, we're expecting 2026 na makukuha na natin yung
So may
dapat.
execute na po
Ma-execute
yung
na.
ruling
Yes.
ng Supreme Court.
Yes. Ang isang rito, no? I think one issue that needs to be settled and clarified, as per yung Supreme Court ruling, they have to pay all the back dues, no? Yung mga utang nila, and we estimate that to be at least 30 billion
Wow, that's
or
a
more.
big amount of money.
Yes,
Imagine how many basketball courts, how many scholarships can we
Yeah.
fund, how many trainings, how many coaches can we hire
Exactly.
with that amount?
So yun, I think there was parang pinagbigyan na rin ng Supreme Court yung PAGCOR. Instead of paying that amount one time, they can amortize that amount in 10 years.
Because tama coach no, when the Supreme Court first, 'di ba, nilabas itong ruling, nagkaroon po ng motion for reconsideration
Yes,
pa.
yeah, tama
And
yan.
sumagot pa ang PSC doon at ang PAGCOR.
Yes.
Pero it was denied.
Actually, yes. The original decision of the Supreme Court came out in 2024.
Correct.
Middle of 2024. And then PAGCOR, the Office of the President, and PCSO filed an MR or motion
Motion.
for reconsideration. It took another year for the motion of motion for reconsideration to be decided upon with finality by the Supreme Court. And that happened mga November na, no? So, but it came out actually December because we were waiting for the official resolution or the document. So, the situation now is PCSO, PAGCOR, and PSC will have now to do the accounting, no? Para alam na nila kung ano yung dapat nilang ipasok na amount. No? So effectively, 2026, we will be doubling the amount or more than double the amount. The usual that they're getting will be more than doubled, not only because yung 2.2 magiging 5%, but also because they will have to compute on gross instead of net.
Correct.
And then, meron pa ngayon na
Back pay.
30 plus billion
Correct.
divided into 10 years, you have an additional at least 3 billion a year. So we have no excuses now, no, for our athletes not to be well trained, not to be well equipped, not to be well nourished,